Okay, this is my update of the Amfleet Phase 4B Cafe with the light kit. So, this I recently purchased a this product is called a um I forget to know what it is. Iron Penguin Electronics product. Iron electronic product with the something Iron Penguin Electronics products. So this is a caboose marker light with two red nano LED lights. Yeah. I recently got it off from eBay for a moment. So here's what the installation looks like. So with the switch. So let me turn it on. See? See that? Yeah, this is the marker light that I installed with that. So this is gonna go. This is gonna go in the end. What I after I Yeah, the holes have been drilled, so I got it. Uh, so there's a hole in that I just drilled. So anyway, it's gonna go after when I'm redetailing this cafe car. So anyway, thanks for watching.